Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. My wife likes peas, so I was looking up a pea recipe. I wanted to make a salad of some sort. Well, I did find one, an Amish recipe. It's very quick, very easy, few ingredients. I think you probably have all the ingredients, well, most of them, if not all. So, without further ado, let's get to it, because it's going to be a good one. And that is if you like peas. Okay, so ingredients. I'll get to the peas. That'll be good. Be the last one I get. Some mustard, some honey, mayonnaise, your favorite barbecue sauce, 1 cup of cheese, 1 egg, four slices of bacon, and the star of the show, the peas. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing is I got the peas here. I'm using frozen peas. There was a 15-ounce bag of frozen peas versus a 15-ounce of a canned pea. So the reason I took the frozen peas, because they're cold, and that way cut down on the chilling time when you get done. Okay, so now we're gonna mix in some cheese here. We'll mix that in right quick. Let me see. Yeah, that's good enough. Let me see here. Okay. So anyway, I'm just going to mix this with my hand right quick. Mix it, kind of blend it in. Now if you want more cheese, you can put a little more. I just put a cup. Okay, now to that, I'm going to chop up my bacon. You can shred it or chop it, whatever you prefer to do. I'm going to try to chop it up. I'm not going to chop it too small, but little pieces like that will do. Oh, yeah, this bacon I made today was a Black Label. I didn't really care for it. It cooked up weird for some reason. I don't know. So, but that's what we got, so how to use it. Anyway, this should make a nice anytime side dish. I mean, if you like peas. If you don't like peas, well, I don't know what to tell you. We happen to like peas. Penny really likes them. She puts them in a regular salad almost every time. So this is done. Now you can chop them up smaller pieces if you like. This to me is good enough. I'm not gonna go crazy, make them too small. Okay, so then we're gonna put those in here. And we'll mix these in. Probably gonna put a little more cheese because Penny likes cheese. She really, truly does. So to make her happy, that's why I'm making this pea salad. I know it sounds weird, pea salad. Okay, so next we're gonna be putting in tablespoons of everything, okay? We're gonna start out with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And I'm gonna heap everything up kind of deal here. I'm not gonna, that's why I did the way I did it. I don't want to precise anything. I'm gonna make it's gonna be pretty much, everything's heaped up so it's all gonna be about the same. It'll meld into the same, so I just want to make sure we have enough everything, sauce and everything. There you go. That's barbecue sauce. This is, Penny likes this sauce. It's 0 points for her. We always use it. It tastes good. It's, G uses barbecue sauce. Okay, now that, each of those was 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to use a tablespoon of honey. You gotta love that honey, right? I was just gonna freehand everything, but without measuring, using anything with a regular spoon or a tablespoon measure, I just, just squeeze it all in there. But then I thought, well, let's get it a little close. and then mustard. Now, the recipe didn't say what kind of mustard or what kind of anything, so I would say use the favorite kind, the kind you always eat. That's like the best answer, right? So rinse that off. Rinse this off. And we got this one left. I'm going to get me a little whisk here. A little whisk in action. Whiska, whiska, whiska. And blend all this together. This is going to be the sauce for the peas. And try to blend it as good as you can. Don't have no pockets of any one ingredient. Try to mix it, mix it, mix it. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is chop up that egg, and then I'm going to scoot that down. This is these eggs are this hard-boiled egg I did today. This was I did a video on the rapid egg cooker. I got to tell you, if you guys don't have one of those, it's worth looking into. You can cook eggs like this, hard boil them. You can poach them. You can make a little omelet. They have a little tray for an omelet. Everything gets steamed, and I'll tell you, it turns out good. I'm making a video for you guys I'm gonna steam, poach the egg, and also make an omelet, so you can make an egg sandwich or whatever you want. So, but the hard boiled part, that came out really good. The eggs peeled right, nice and easy. So I was very impressed with it. My daughter got it for me for a Christmas gift, and my wife has always hid it away. And I found it, I was looking for something else. Anyway, let's get back to this here. It looks pretty good so far. Mix and mix and mix. We got to coat the egg with the dressing. All right. So let's give a little taste test. Wow. Oh yeah. I think you guys will like that sauce. Now that's just 1 cup of cheese. I might put a tad bit more, I don't know yet. Penny likes cheese, so knowing me, I'll probably go a little heavy-handed, more than a cup. But all you gotta do is mix everything really well. And we're gonna fold all this in together, and our pea salad will be waiting. Like I said, the reason I used the frozen peas was to let it cool down quicker. Otherwise, you gotta wait. It recommends you put it in the refrigerator for about an hour before you serve it. And that's why I use the frozen peas. Figured that would cool everything down real quick. So, my little trick for that. Okay, then we just mix together. Let's get a thorough mix on it. Yeah, there's some people building a pool behind us, and every time those construction guys go back there, that dog's all over it. You gotta love it. I like this. It already looks good. I mean, now these peas really not 100% frozen right now. I had them out for a little bit. So, with that being said, I think I'll get camera girl in here, take a look at it, see if she wants more cheese. So I'll be back momentarily, huh? Okay, so I guess you guys can see who won the recipe award here. Just a little bit more cheese. She said outside of that, it's outstanding. So I'm gonna plate this up. We'll give us a little taste test. And then we'll be eating this for a day or so. There's a lot of peas. You gotta like peas. I mean, if you like peas, this is good. It's a nice, refreshing salad. I'll put it that way. It's nice and you serve it cold. I think you really like it. Okay, I'm gonna put this on a plate and we'll be right back. Okay guys, there's the plate. We'll meet you at the table. Doink. Okay, here we are again at the taste test table. Thank you, Miss Camera Girl, for the assist. Here we have the pea salad. I wish there was a different way of saying that, but there's not. So I got a little bit of everything on the fork here. I got the dressing, of course. I've got the peas, the cheese, and also a little piece of egg. So here we go. Mmm. Mmm. All those flavors swirling around in your mouth makes you happy, I'll tell you. And it is very good cold. I'm glad we used the frozen peas versus the canned. Otherwise, we'd be sitting in the refrigerator and we wouldn't be here right now. So, quick, simple and easy, very delicious. This would make a nice, oh, you could snack on this by itself if you really want to. Nice side dish. At any rate, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. I think it turned out really well. Share with your friends, family, ex-cons. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. When you do subscribe, a little notification bell will pop up. You hit that, that'll notify you each and every time we come up with another video. There's a little arrow down button below the video. You hit that, that'll give you a drop-down box. In the drop-down box will be a link to my Cook with Mrs. Dan Facebook page, a link to my daughter's artwork site page, and a complete list of all the ingredients we put in to make this delicious, delicious pea salad. So, stay hungry, my friends, and when you are, come back, we'll give you another delicious dish just like this. This is Mrs. Dan saying thanks for watching. Stay away from the COVID. And we'll see you on the next video. We're out for now.